In a river, there could be boulders blocking and slowing the flow of the water. If there are more boulders, the water current will face more resistance. Similarly, an electric current does not always flow easily in a circuit, as the connecting wires and electrical components resist the flow of electrons. The wire and components are said to have resistance. The greater the resistance in a circuit, the lower the electric current. Different materials have different resistance. Copper is a conductor which has a very low resistance and allows electrons to flow easily. This is the reason why the connecting wires in circuit are made of copper. Nichrome, an alloy of nickel and chromium, has a larger resistance than copper. So nichrome wires, which are also called resistant wires, are used to decrease the current in a circuit. The SI unit for resistance is ohm, which is named after a German scientist by the name of George Ohm. The symbol for ohm is omega, the last letter of the Greek alphabet. A resistance of 10 ohms is written as 10 omega. Besides bulbs and switches, there is another type of electrical component. This component, called a resistor, is specially made to have a certain resistance. The resistance of the resistor depends on what it is made of and can range from less than 1 ohm to thousands of ohms. Resistors are very widely used in electrical and electronic equipment, such as radios, mobile phones, and computers. A resistor with fixed resistance is called a fixed resistor and is represented by a long rectangle. A resistor can also have variable resistance and is represented by a long rectangle plus a slanted arrow. The arrow indicates that the resistance can be varied. This type of resistor is called a rheostat. The main use of the rheostat is to change the current in a circuit. If the circuit is connected to a light bulb, changing the resistance will change the current and hence change the brightness of the light bulb. If a circuit has a rheostat and a loudspeaker, the rheostat can be used to change the volume of the sound emitted from the loudspeaker by changing the resistance.